Hi everybody, this is Dr. Jeffrey from Perceptive Health in Campbell River. I'm a naturopathic doctor practicing on Vancouver Island. So today I wanted to quickly talk about magnesium. Magnesium is a foundational supplement. It's something that we are often all low in, um, and it has a very, very important cellular importance inside our cells. It is not found outside the cells, so tests like blood magnesium don't actually reflect the inside of the cells. So that's why it's been difficult to really get an understanding of the degree of magnesium deficiencies in our population. But more and more beginning to accept that deficiencies are present in a large portion of the population. So some symptoms of magnesium deficiency could be anxiety, could be constipation, could be muscle aches and pains. Those would probably be the biggest ones that I think about and go to magnesium. So what are some important things that magnesium is for? Well, there's a lot of things. There's actually 600 or more chemical reactions that occur in the body that need magnesium in order to run. Now, when I was in my biochemistry classes, we used to always look at these pathways of energy production in the body, and it turns out that magnesium is almost needed for all these energy pathways. So magnesium is going to push energy pathways. The other important thing that magnesium does that other people don't know is that it may lower blood pressure by opening up blood vessels, by relaxing smooth muscle in the heart and in the blood vessels, as well as relaxing muscles in the shoulders. So I'm going to talk about different types of magnesium because there's going to be different forms based on what the end result is. So I would say the go-to magnesium that I like is magnesium glycinate, and just a good dose of magnesium glycinate that's highly absorbable over the digestive system, and you're going to get a well-rounded effect for muscle relaxation, for sleep, for anxiety. So this is a big foundation, and that's why I give it in capsules of 200. The other form of magnesium I like is a magnesium malate. Now, magnesium malate I find to be very beneficial, more specific for muscle pain and cramping. Now, this one is a slow-release magnesium malate, and it is released slowly in the digestive system, so you're going to get a larger absorption over a longer period of time. And it doesn't have as much bowel effects on people. So some people are really sensitive to magnesium, meaning they'll get loose stools. Magnesium that is a slow release will not get loose stools as easily, so you can get the dose higher and actually increase your magnesium levels a little bit better. Now, this is also good for like fibromyalgia, those kind of conditions. And then you can get types of magnesiums that are complexed with other vitamins and minerals. I like this one. This is a magnesium bisglycinate with taurine. So taurine is an amino acid, and it has very similar effects to magnesium. I think of it as kind of enhancing the magnesium effect, enhancing the absorption inside the cells, and it also may relax the nervous system and especially the brain. So these are my top magnesium supplements. There's also magnesium citrate. That's very common. And there's other forms of magnesium that cross the blood-brain barrier too. So we'll do some more videos on this shortly on all the different forms of magnesium and what it can be used for. But definitely a magnesium glycinate is definitely a foundational remedy. Anti-inflammatory, another thing that it has, and insulin. So we'll talk later, everybody, more about this. Thanks, everybody, and we'll see you in another session.